This is a video that will demonstrate how our application works. Once you start the application, you will be taken to the main menu where you have the option to choose which model you want to open. First, we're going to start with the original structural model. This is the model that has been used on the building site before any changes occurred. Here we can see a demonstration how the 3D model is being augmented on top of a paper. In our case, a part of the wall needs to be replaced with the column beam structure. Once this is done, we load the newest structural model where we can see the change being indicated with the red color. The color can be changed depending on the situation to avoid further misunderstanding. With this application, we're aiming to improve the understanding of the building, to eliminate further errors and rework, and also to minimize the cost and time spent on changes done during the construction. Now we're going to show you the latest architectural model. In this situation, the architectural model has been sent out with a roof. So here we're going to demonstrate how you can use your mobile device to go inside the building. What we just did, we slid the phone in the already augmented 3D model and we went inside. Here we can see the change also indicated with the red color. This gives us a new perspective to check the building and to see if it's possible to implement the changes both from the structural and the architectural point of view. Once we are done exploring the models, we can easily just go out and click the X button on the top right corner. Thank you for your time and attention.